Welcome to TMC virtual class. Student, I will take today mathematics part 1 chapter linear equation in two variables. Student, in first lecture we discussed that what is the meaning of linear equation in two variables. Then already we solved some sum on practice set 1.1. So let's start sum number 5. So sum number 5 is given 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is given x plus 5y equal to 4. This is equation number 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 is given. Now we have to solve this sum by simultaneous equation. So student, whenever you want to solve any sum, remember that in last class we discussed that two important things. One, that is same pair, and second, opposite sign. Same pair and opposite sign. Now student, you can observe in equation number 1 and 2, 5x and this one is x plus 2y and 5y. So in this part we have to make either x variable or y variable common, means same pair. So we can do one thing. If we multiply equation number 2 by 5, it will become 5x, and equation number 1 you can see 5x. So we can multiply by equation number 2 by 5. So we can multiply by 5. Let's see what we'll get. So 5x plus 5 into 5, 25, y equal to 4 5 are 20. So 5x plus 25y equal to 20. Now in this equation and the equation number 1, 5x and 5x are common. But what about the second parameter? We require opposite sign. So we can do one thing. We can subtract. So 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. So we can subtract. So let's see what we'll get. So whenever you go to subtract, that time we have to change the sign. So minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus, because we want to take opposite sign. Now student, in this part 20 positive and 3 is also positive. So 20 plus 3, 23. Next 25y minus 2y, that is your 23y, that is plus 5x minus 5 get cancel. Now student, we want to find the value of y. So y will be 23 upon 23, answer is 1. So y is 1. Now we have the one variable, that is y, and we want to find the value of, that is x. So we can do one thing. Put y equal to 1 in equation number 2. In equation number 2. So what is equation? X plus 5y equal to 4. So x plus 5y equal to 4. Now in place of y we can put 1. So x plus 5 into 1 equal to 4. So 5 ones are 5. So x plus 5 equal to 4. This side plus, opposite side become minus. So 4 minus 5, answer is minus 1. So we have the value of x as well as the y. X is minus 1 and y is 1. If you want to check answer, check your answer. Let's check what is the value of x and y. So equation is given x plus 5y equal to 4. Now what is the value of x, student? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 5 into 1 equal to 4. So minus 1 plus 5 equal to 4, plus 5 minus 1, answer is 4, so 4 equal to 4. So now you can see, check your answer is correct. So last thing we can write, this is only for your understanding. So in answer part we can write solution, that is x and y is, x is minus 1 and y is 1. So minus 1 and 1. So this way we can solve sum number 5 from practice set 1.1. So always remember that whenever you want to solve any linear equation two variable, first two parameters you have to remember, same pair and opposite sign. So in this sum, 5x and x, 2y and 5y. So nothing is common, so we have to make pair, so we can multiply by 5. So become 5x plus 25y equal to 20, but second parameter is opposite sign, so we can subtract. So what happens, sign will change, minus become plus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Then we can find the one variable, that is y, 23 upon 23, answer is 1, and we can put this value in equation number 1 or 2, either will get the same answer. So in equation number 2, so x plus 5 into 1 is equal to 4, x plus 5 equal to 4, this side plus, opposite side become minus, so answer is minus 1. And if you want to check, only for your understanding, this thing आपको एग्जाम में नहीं लिखना है, लास्ट वाला पार्ट, फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू कैन चेक योर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट, एंड दैट टाइम वी understood that answer is correct. So this way we can solve sum number 5. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we can proceed next sum. Okay. Student, now sum number 6 is also very important. Sum number 6, let's check what is sum number 6. That is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y equal to, it is given 10 upon 3. This is equation number 1, and equation 2 is given 2x plus 1 upon 4y equal to 11 upon 4. This is equation number 2. So student, this is linear equation two variable, that is x and y, and maximum index is 1. But suppose if you want to convert ax plus by plus c, so that time we have to remove the denominator 3 and 4. So we can do one thing, in equation number 1, if we multiply by 3, so what happened, 3 will get cancelled. And similarly in equation number 2, if you want to remove this 4, so we can multiply by 4 in all the part. Let's start sum number 6 from practice set 1.1. So we can multiply in equation 1, multiply by 3, and in equation number 2 by 4. 3 and second one is 4 by 4. So let's check what we'll get. So in equation number 1 upon 3 x into 3 plus 3 into y, 10 upon 3 into 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we'll get x plus 3 into y, 3y equal to 10. This is equation number 3. Similarly, in equation number 2, we can multiply by 4. So 2x into 4 plus 1 upon 4 y into 4 equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. So we will get, student, this 2x into 4 become 8x plus this 4 and 4 get cancelled, 4 and 4 get cancelled. So y, 1 into y is y equal to 11. This is equation number 4. Now equation 3, this one, and this equation number 4 become normal, ax plus by plus c. So student, in this part, y and this one is 3y, x and this one is 8x. So we can do one thing. Suppose if you want to make common y, so we can multiply by equation number 4 by 3. So we will get 8x, that is 24x. 8 3 are 24. 3 into y, 3y equal to 11 3 are 33, because we have to make same pair, 33. Similarly, then equation number 3, x plus 3y equal to 10. So same pair, 3y and 3y, but plus 3y plus 3y. We have to take opposite sign. So plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So we have to subtract. So student, 33 minus 10, answer is 23. Plus 3y and minus 3y get cancelled. 24x minus x, that is 23x, equal to 23. Now we have to find the value of x. So 23 upon 23, answer is 1. Suppose if you want to find the value of y, so we can put in equation number 3, put x equal to 1 in equation number 3. Any one equation you can put, either 4 or 3. So that time, what is the value of x? X is 1. So equation number 3 is x plus 3y. Student, now you can see x plus 3y equal to 10, and we have to find the value of y. So x is 1. So in place of x, we can put 1 plus 3y equal to 10. So 1 plus 3y. So this side become minus 3y equal to 10 minus 1. So 3y equal to 9. So y equal to 9 upon 3. Answer is 3 3 is 9. So answer is 3. So 10 minus 1, 9. So this side multiply, opposite side become divide. So 3 3 is 9. So answer of x is 1 and y is 3. So if you want to check x, that is 1 and 3 3 is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. This your answer is correct. So we can write last part answer, and that is solution. X and y, x is 1 and y is 3. So this way we can solve sum number 6 from practice set 1.1. So student, always remember, whenever this type of sum is given, means in ratio form 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, so you have to multiply the denominator. Means 3 is given, so we can multiply by 3. If 4 is given, so we can multiply by 4. So it becomes a general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this way. And then we have to apply the same method, same pair and opposite sign. So we can make the same pair, so we can multiply, and opposite sign, so we can subtract, and that time you can find the value of x and y. So this way you can solve sum number 6 from practice set 1.1. Suppose if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we can proceed the next part. Okay. Now students, sum number 7 and 8. This is for 3 marks question and very important, and this type of sum always come in board examination. So this type of sum we can solve. So first understand what is given, then we can start. So sum number 7, it is given 99x plus 101y equal to 499. This is equation number 1. And equation 2 is given 101x plus 99y equal to 501. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 is given and 2 is given. So student, you can observe one important thing in this part. Not just say diagonal relation. So 99x, so 99y diagonal. Similarly, 101y, 101x. So whenever you see this type of sum, diagonal relation, so that time we can apply very important thing. First, we have to add one time and we have to subtract, and that's is a very important method. Always remember that whenever you see the diagonal relation, so you apply first you have to add and second you have to subtract. So let's start with first we can add this one. So by adding, so 19 499, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1000 equal to 101 plus 99y, that is 200y, plus 99x plus 10x, that is 200x. So student, one part is very important here, that is common part. So 200 is common here, so we can take 200 is a common. So x plus y equal to 1000. Now we have to find the value of x plus y. So this side is multiply, become divide. So x plus y equal to 1000 upon 200. So 2020 get cancelled. 2 5 are 10. So x plus y equal to 5. This is equation number. So first method we have to add, second we have to subtract. So we can subtract equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So let's check what will we get. So 101x plus 99y equal to 501, and second 99x plus 101y equal to 499. So we can subtract this thing. So whenever you subtract, you have to change the sign. So plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So we can subtract. So one simple thing, first you have to add, second you can subtract. Either you can subtract equation 1 and 2, you will get the same answer. But 501 is greater than 499, so it becomes simple. But you can also do equation 1 minus equation 2. So 501 minus 499, answer is 2. Now you can see greater sign is minus. So here is minus 101 minus 99. So answer is 2y minus 2y, and same 2x. 101 minus 99 is 2x. So student, what is common here? So common is 2. So we can take 2 common. X minus y equal to 2. This side multiply and opposite side become divide. So 2 become divide, means 2 upon 2. Answer is 1. So student, you can see we have x plus y, that is 5, and x minus y is 1. This is equation number 4. So we can do one thing. You can see again two variable x and y, and opposite sign, this one is plus and this one is minus. So whenever you see the opposite sign, so what we can do? We can subtract. So we can subtract or add. Yes, we have to add, because whenever you see the opposite sign, we have to add this equation. And whenever you see the same sign, so we have to subtract, because you have to require opposite sign. So already it is given opposite sign, plus and minus. So we can add by adding equation number 3 and 4. So we can add this thing. So let's check. That is given x plus y equal to 5, and x minus y is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, plus y minus y get cancelled, and x plus x is 2x. So x will be 6 upon 2. Answer is 3. 2 3 is 6. So we have the value of x. Now if you want to find the value of y, so we can put in equation number 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 3. So what is the value of x? That is 3. Equation number 3, x plus y equal to 5. it is given x plus y equal to 5. So in place of x, we can put 3. So 3 plus y equal to 5. Y will be 5 minus 3. So answer will be 2. So we have the value of x and y. X is 3 and y is 2. If you want to check answer, so x plus y equal to 5. So 3 plus 2, answer is 5. Yes, your answer is correct. So last part we can write solution. It is x and y. X is 3, y is 2. So this way we can solve sum number 7 from practice set 1.1. So student, whenever you see the diagonal relation, कभी भी आपको diagonal relation दिखता है, so that time first we have to add, then we have to subtract. So whenever we add, here 200 is common. So x plus y, this side multiply, it become divide. So first part we are getting x plus y equal to 5, and next thing we have to subtract. So we can subtract equation number 2 minus equation 1. So we will get opposite sign. Always whenever we subtract, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. So 501 minus 499, answer is 2. Greater sign is minus. So 101 y minus 99y, answer is minus 2y. 101x minus 99x, answer is 2x. So in this part also 2 is common. So we can take 2 is common. This side multiply, opposite sign become divide. So x minus y equal to 1. Again we have two variable, that is x plus y and x minus y, and already in opposite sign and same pair already. So we can add this thing. So we will get y and y get cancelled. So 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. So we have the one variable, that is x, and we can put in any equation either 3 and 4. You will get the answer of y. So this way you can solve sum number 7, and this type of sum will come for 3 marks in board examination. So this one is very important. You can practice at your home. So let's, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take, then we can proceed the next sum. Okay. Similarly, student, last summing also same to same like 7 sum. First, we have to see what is 8 sum. So just check 8 sum is given 49x minus 57y equal to 172. This is equation number 1. And 57x minus 49y is given 252. Equation number 2. So again diagonal relation, 49x, 49y, 57y, 57x. So again the same thing, we have to add and we have to subtract. So we can add this one. So addition. So we'll get 2 plus 2 is 4. Then it is given, student, that is 5 plus, okay, it is given 7 plus 5 is 12, and then 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, 4, 424. Next thing, same sign, so we have to add, become minus. 57 plus 9, that is 9 plus 7 is 6, and it is y. 5 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 106y. Similarly, 106x. So what is common here, student? You can see simple, 106 is common, and we will get x minus y equal to 424. Now, if you want to find the value of x minus y, so this is common and here is multiply and opposite sign become divide. So x minus y equal to 424 upon 106. Remember one important thing, 1 into 4, that is 100 into 4 is 400, and 6 4s are 24. So answer is 4. Either you can divide by 2, you get the same way. X minus y equal to 4. So we have the one thing, so this is equation number 2. So now on the same method, we can subtract equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So what is equation number 2? 57x minus 49y equal to 252. Same method like sum number 7. Then 49x minus 57y equal to 172. So whenever you subtract, so that time you have to change the sign. Plus become minus, 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 plus, plus, minus. So we have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. So 80. Then plus 57 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8y. Plus, and this is also 57 minus 9 is 8. 8x. So again 8 is common. So we can take 8 is common. X plus y equal to 80. Now we have to find the value of x plus y. So this side is multiply, opposite side become divide. So x plus y equal to 80 upon 8. Simple 8 table, 8 tens are 80. So x plus y equal to 10. This is equation number 4. So student, again you can see there are two variables. Again x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 10. Now you can see there are two parameters, same pair and opposite sign. So already in same pair, x, y and y, and opposite sign. So you can see x and x is both are positive, but we require opposite sign. So minus y and here is plus y, and we have the opposite sign also. So simply we can do, we can add equation number 3 and equation number 4. That time we will get only one variable, either x and y. So let's take sum number equation number 3 and 4. So we can add by adding equation number 3 and 4. So what is equation number 3? Equation number 3 is given x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 10. So whenever you add, so simple thing, we have to, already is given opposite sign. Now you can see plus and minus. So you get cancel. So 4 plus 10 is 14. Y plus y and minus y get cancel. X plus x is 2x. Now we have to find the value of x. So x will become 14 upon 2. So answer is 7. X equal to 7. Now we have to find the value of y. So student, simple thing, yes, correct. So we can put in equation number 2. Put x equal to 7 in equation number 2. So what is equation number 2, student? Equation number, sorry, not 2, you can put in equation number 4. So we will get simple thing because x plus y is given 10. You can also put in equation number 2, we will get the same answer. But you can see in equation number 4 it is very simple. So we can put in equation number 4. So x plus y equal to 10. What is the value of x? X is 7. So in place of x we can put 7 plus y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 minus 7. So answer is 3. So suppose if you want to check your answer, just check what is the value of x. X is 7. So 7 and y is 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and right hand side is also 10. This your answer is correct. Suppose if you want to check in another equation. Equation number 3. So what is the value of x? X is 7 and y is 3. So 7 minus 3 answer is 4. Means your answer is correct. So this is for only understanding. If you want to check your answer, so you can check. And last part you have to write answer. So what is the answer? So we have solution of x and y. So what is the value of x? X is student 7 and y is 3. So 7 and so this type of sum is very important and it will come for 3 marks in both examinations. So whenever you see the diagonal relation, that time you have to add, then you have to subtract. And this way you can complete it. Practice set 1.1. So in next part we can start practice set 1.2 and that time you require graph also and it is very simple thing. But practice set 1.1 already completed, so you can practice at your home. So thank you so much. See you next class.